Indian football has grown a lot in the last 10 years, and some of you might be aware of the fact that Kolkata is known as the Mecca of Indian football. And why shouldn't it be? The city belongs to three historic teams, including Mohun Bagan Super Giants. But have you ever wondered what's the football capital of India? Well, it's not Kolkata, and it's definitely not Bengaluru or Mumbai. In fact, it's a city which has never hosted an ISL game before. And that city is Shillong. And this is a statement that has not been given by me, but in fact it's a statement given by Northeast United CEO Mandar Tamane. Well, keeping that fact in mind, I decided to pay a visit to Shillong, India's next football capital, a city where they absolutely love football, and a city set to host its first ever Indian Super League match. Alright guys, welcome back to channel and welcome to a brand new video. So फिलहाल मैं अभी हूँ गुवाहाटी रेलवे स्टेशन में और यहाँ से शिलोंग जाने की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि कल है नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड का फर्स्ट मैच इन शिलोंग का हिस्टोरिक मैच, हिस्टोरिक इवेंट होने वाला है कल, क्योंकि पहली बार नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड शिलोंग में खेलने वाले एंड दे आर गोना प्ले मुंबई सिटी एफसी. सो फिलहाल मैं अभी यहाँ पे गुवाहाटी रेलवे स्टेशन में हूँ, यहाँ पे वेट कर रहा हूँ ताकि ये गाड़ी जो है ये फुल हो जाए. सो मैच जो है वो कल है, आज है 6 फरवरी और ऑलमोस्ट जनवरी, बट आज है 6 फरवरी, मैच है कल 7 फरवरी को. सो जल्दबाजी में नहीं हूँ, बट हाँ उम्मीद करते हैं कि जल्दी कार फुल हो जाए और जल्दी हम लोग निकल पड़े फॉर शिलोंग फॉर नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड वर्सेस मुंबई टुमारो एट द जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम. सो या, इट्स गोइंग टू बी हिस्टोरिक, इट्स गोइंग टू बी फन, लेट्स डू दिस. सो ये वही जगह है जहाँ पे लास्ट टाइम हम लोग रुके हुए थे जब मैं लजांग का मैच देखने जा रहा था. ठीक इसी जगह पे रुके थे, बट उस टाइम दोपहर का टाइम था, अभी शाम का टाइम हो रहा है. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स रियली एडवाइजेबल टू ड्राइव ऑन दीज रोड्स और टू ट्रैवल ऑन दीज रोड्स एट नाइट बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स अ बिट रिस्की बिकॉज there are no lights, there are no street lights, and there are a lot of trucks and every car is probably overspeeding. But anyway, we gotta make it hopefully safe. And yeah, out here for a small break and then we shall continue. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so we were walking through the streets of Shillong and we've ended up in France. Okay, so we're inside the stadium. Alright guys, so oh my god, we got through the sea gate and this is the stadium, and it practically says that no trespassers allowed. But somehow we are the trespassers. We have somehow crossed the border and we're looking for B gate.
We can just see the lights there.
You can see the lights. For some reason they're on at broad daylight. I don't know why. Let's see if we can find any backstage scoop for you guys. Let's look for some stuff. Okay, so we're basically inside the stadium right now. Inner gate 14.
ऐसा कुछ लिखा है क्या हमारे टिकट में?
नहीं, ये अंदर का गेट है. फिर वो लोग ही बताएंगे कि कहाँ से घुसना है. पर हम लोग को भी बी गेट ढूंढना होगा. But how can we just freely roam inside the stadium? Just like that.
I think we should even go inside the inner gate now.
Should we go inside the inner gate? Is it open?
No, but
Is it open? It's open. It's open. चलेगा नहीं थोड़ा आगे चलते हैं. कोई कुछ बोलेगा तो हम बोलेंगे हम लोग बी गेट ढूंढ रहे हैं. हम लोग तुरंत यहाँ पहुँच गए ताकि हम लोग को शाम को प्रॉब्लम ना हो. So that's gonna be our excuse if anyone asks us why we're inside. We'll tell them that we're looking for gate number B. What the hell?
चल के देखते हैं. B gate है, B gate.
B gate, where's the B gate? Gate B. B. We're inside the stadium, guys, and it's crazy. Okay, guys, so we are on our way to the stadium, and this is the first match day vlog. मैं half रहा already.
यहाँ की चढ़ाई.
You can see the चढ़ाई. हम लोग कितना मुश्किल से stadium जा रहे हैं. But anyway, this is going to be the first match day vlog here in Shillong. Okay, so this is the first official match day, ISL match day here in Shillong. It's Northeast United playing Mumbai City FC, and with me right now is the man who was in the first video of this channel itself. Siddhant Kumar is right here. We are reunited from the first video till here. It's been a journey of 974 subscribers.
Oh my god.
But anyway, we're on our way to the stadium, and the best part is Siddhant lives right next to the stadium, so It's quite easy for us, you know, to get to the stadium. ऐसे ही हम लोग यहाँ से चल के सीधा नीचे जाते हैं और फिर यहाँ पे स्टेडियम राइट बगल में।
सुबह बहुत एक्सप्लोर किया था
और हम लोगों ने सुबह सुबह बहुत ही एक्सप्लोर किया था। हम लोगों ने टिकट ले लिया, वो कलेक्ट किया हम लोगों ने वो गोल्फ कोर्स से। यहाँ पे जो गोल्फ कोर्स इधर में है। और लास्ट टाइम जब मैं आया था ड्यूरेंट कप के टाइम पे अगस्त में आया था मैं। हाँ, शिलोंग लजोंग का मैच देखा था। तब मैंने शिलोंग लजोंग का मैच देखा था अगस्त में। तो अभी पहली बार ISL यहाँ पे in Shillong itself. It's like the city is going crazy. The hype is real.
Yes, the hype is really real.
The hype is very real. You can see. मैं भी थोड़ी देर में दिखाता हूँ कि कितना भीड़ है नीचे. And yeah, we are on our way to the stadium. Almost there. The game shall start from 7:30. There's still 1 hour left. अभी जाकर हम लोग देखेंगे कि मैच से पहले कितना excitement levels कौन से level पे है excitement.
Even the CM is coming.
Even the CM is coming. Let's see if John Abraham is there or not. But yeah. Yeah, with that being said, welcome to another matchday vlog for the very first time here in Shillong itself. A matchday vlog. मैं यहाँ पे फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, मतलब ISL का matchday vlog. पहले ड्यूरेंट कप का obviously किया है, but yeah, with that being said, let's get going with today's video. Let's go. Oh my goodness, this looks insanely crowded already. You can see there are so many cars, buses, people, officials, police, fans, football maniacs. Oh my god, हम लोग कहाँ से आए थे भूल गया मैं। यहाँ से था ना? नहीं यहाँ से था।
नहीं यार,
अच्छा यहाँ से था।
यहाँ से हम लोग मिले थे।
अच्छा चलते हैं। Holy just look at this crowd, man. Oh my goodness, the hype is real, guys. Just look at this crowd. Oh my goodness. Hey, let me see the tickets. These are the tickets. Let's get it. Oh my god, let's not hope for too much crowd. अभी तो ठीक ठाक ही लग रहा है वैसे, अंदर जाकर पता चलेगा. Alright guys, we're through. We are going past security right now. Oh, we just had to get past 4 security checkpoints. 4 security checkpoints. That proves how tight the security is today. Oh, there's another one. There's 5th. I think there's 6 security checkpoints because I can see right behind one. Okay, so we have 4 security checkpoints. Here is number 5. 17. कहाँ पे लिखा है वैसे?
Not lower, but not lower.
Okay, 17. Thank you.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go to. अब यहाँ पे लिखा था वैसे 17.
जैसे हो सकता है कोड लिखा हो, उस कोड के थ्रू से पता चल गया 17.
क्या? Oh, not lower. अच्छा.
अच्छा नॉट लोअर. अच्छा वो कह रहा था वो लोअर.
We have to get past 5 security checkpoints now. I think there's number 6 up front, but we are through. We got the tickets in hand, physical tickets also, and yeah, let's see. Let's go inside. Let's see how filled up the stadium is so far. Let's see what the crowd turnout is.
Let's go.
Security is actually quite tight. That proves. What? There's a food stall. So security is actually quite tight. So that proves how tight the security is. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? कुछ भी बोले जा. There are a lot of food stalls here. This is the first time I've seen so many food stalls in a stadium, and it's quite crazy.
Geo Cinema.
Usually you only get drinking water in stadiums, and here we're getting so many food stalls. We're spoiled with choices. We're spoiled with choices, guys. Guys, we got a couple of hot dogs here, and we have so many options, and it's quite crazy. We have pizza, we have hot dogs, we have rolls, we have so much. We also have coffee. It's good. I like it. Okay, so the players are now out for warming up. अभी चल रहा है सबका वार्म अप. ये ब्लू में मुंबई सिटी एफसी और दूर में है नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनाइटेड. I think the match starts in approximately half an hour. Anyway, I think I should praise this stadium a little bit more because the infrastructure is so good. Even the washroom is so clean. I feel so privileged because I've been to so many stadiums around the
Any
country.
UFC would like to.
Alright, so what I was saying is I think I feel quite privileged being in a stadium like this because it's so clean. There is food, there's plenty of food options, and yeah, I've been to stadiums around the country, but I've not seen anything like this, like so well maintained, and it's good to see. Like I think stadiums around the country should learn and follow something like this. As you can see, a lot of people still coming in.
Number 14, Aladdin Ajari.
Alright guys, so Aladdin Ajare is in the starting lineup today. So it'll be interesting to see, can he continue his good form today? Can he get one more goal? He got 2 goals in the last game against Odisha FC. So yeah, let's see if he can continue his good run today and get more goals to his name. Probably get the 3 points for Northeast as well. It's really loud in here. Let's get it loose!
9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, here's the kickoff. Woo! Come on, Jongi! Okay, Siddhant. I didn't ask for a prediction. What's your prediction?
I think North is gonna win surely in this match.
Good first attack by Northeast. But I think my prediction is, I think it's 0-0. I think it's gonna be 0-0.
Let's go for deeper.
I have a weird feeling it's gonna end 0-0. So
I think it's gonna end 2-1
Okay, let's see. We
for
shall see.
Northeast.
I don't know. I just think it's a new stadium. That's why Northeast might not score any goals. But let's hope for the best. We already have the first injury of the match. What? ये क्या हो गया? Oh! Shoot! Cross! Arre! It's another corner. Oh my God, let's go! How did he miss that? Oh my God, that was so close. That was so close.
Despite Northeast United missing the first good chance of the match, they kept on knocking at Mumbai City FC's door. It almost felt that a goal for the Highlanders was quite inevitable.
Another good chance missed by Ajare. I think that's 3 in a row now by him. Let's go! The goal is coming, I can feel it.
भाई वही मैं कह रहा हूँ यार,
The goal is coming.
2 आने आज.
Shoot! Cross! What? Shoot! What the fuck? What are you doing? What is wrong with this attack?
Oh my God.
Sports fans, thank you for being here today.
is it too
Let's
cold?
give a big round of applause to yourself.
That we have the most
excited fan in the whole stadium. This guy is blocking my view at every attack, so I had to change my seats. But it's good. We want passionate fans like that, you know what I'm saying. But the moral of the first half so far: 5 good chances missed by Northeast United. 5 good chances. They have missed 5 good chances, especially the final chance, जो last वाला chance था. That was definitely a goal. I don't know how they did not score that. They should have scored that one. because there was a big mess, a big scramble inside the box, and somehow they didn't end up scoring. So I don't know how. There's still 0-0. Should have been 2-0 at least for Northeast.
And while we were busy looking at the cameraman taking photos of the Northeast United supporters, Bipin Singh and Mumbai City FC had other ideas.
What the fuck? Goal हो गया.
भाई वो पीछे देख रहे थे. For fuck's sake, Mumbai has scored.
Set moment.
Yeah. I think this was sort of expected because the amount of chances Northeast missed. So yeah, I think it was quite inevitable that they conceded first.
I think अब ये खेल पूरा opposite होने वाला है.
Yeah. Let's hope for the best, please. Let's hope for the best. I don't want to go all the way back with a defeat. So yeah, let's hope for the best. We're still in the game.
We want more! We want more! We want more! Come on!
Easy. Keep the ball. Arey, yeah. Arey! Another chance missed.
Crowd getting really disappointed.
भाई पूरा quiet हो गया.
वही तो.
The crowd is so quiet.
Additional time for the first half. 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Oh my god. Half time. Alright guys, so it is half time and Northeast is obviously losing 1-0. This is not what I expected things to go. But yeah, Northeast are to blame for this result at this point because they missed so many chances in the first half. Way too many chances they missed. So yeah, you can't really complain if you miss so many chances. Let's hope for a better second half and let's hope that they can at least equalize in the second half. But in reality, I can envision everyone walking out of the stadium with disappointment because I think
There's no goal coming.
I don't think Northeast are turning this around by any chance. Especially given how they're playing, man. Like, but then again, Mumbai City, man, they're the champion. They're the defending champions. What do you expect?
अगर किसी और टीम का मैच होता है यहाँ पे तो हो सकता है कि chances बनते हैं.
Bhai. So yeah, but yeah, let's see.
Crowd is very low now. Very disappointed.
Exactly, everyone is very quiet. But here is the twist in the tale.
Your prediction is over.
My prediction is over, guys. Okay, my prediction was 0-0. But here's the twist in the tale. His prediction was 2-1 for Northeast. So Mumbai are already leading 1-0. So I guess Northeast can can score 2 more goals and pull off a huge
Make
comeback
that
in the second half.
Spoiler.
Oh my god. It's not a prediction. It's not a prediction. It's a spoiler.
And that's not a prediction. That's a spoiler.
अभी टेम्परेचर क्या होगा यहाँ पे? टेम्परेचर क्या होगा?
मुझे लग रहा है अभी 5 तो.
Okay, let's check the temp. What? 5? I was thinking double digits. Okay, let's check the temperature.
Let's see.
It's 10 degrees right now. It's really cold, and I don't know if that's affecting on the players. It might. I'm not sure, but it's definitely affecting on us.
Yes, it is.
Players are coming out for the second half. Let's hope for the best. DJ Knight in this house. I don't think
Let's football!
Alright, second half has started. Let's hope there are no goals at this end. Hopefully. So yeah, anyway, second half has started. Northeast losing 1-0. I don't really have a good feeling. I think it might. Oh, okay, nice Gurmeet. But I don't have a good feeling about this, to be honest. Oh, come on, man.
And now, for probably what turned out to be the best part of this second half, was this fan running onto the pitch to hug Aladi Najari.
So the reason for the loud chants is because a fan ran onto the pitch. Siddhant, I think this is it. I think this corner is it. I think this corner is it. I think this is the moment of truth for Northeast.
नहीं था कि उनको गोल करना है भाई, वो तो हो गया गलती से। उनका स्टेडियम में लास्ट में उनको पेलेंगे।
वही तो। I think they were just playing for a draw. This guy is crazy.
देख भाई स्ट्रेचर आ गया। निग्रिम्स कर रहे भाई। निग्रिम्स पता तुझे क्या है? यहाँ का हॉस्पिटल।
Well, the disappointment in my face probably speaks volumes at this point. The way this match was going, it was quite clear that Northeast United was not getting that equalizing goal.
Not bad.
80 minutes on the clock and
1-1 draw is better than 0-0 draw.
yeah, but it's not looking good. It's not even looking good for a 1-1.
एक गोल ने भाई, लेकिन कितना चांसेस मिला भाई, कितना चांस, मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं कि चांसेस नहीं मिले।
Yeah, there were so many chances, but they Northeast ने मतलब बहुत सारे chances miss कर दिए।
The official attendance for today's match is 14,288. Thank you for coming and being a fantastic audience.
अरे गया, अब तो गया, खत्म, it's over. Oh, बच गया। Oh! 7 minutes. Let's go.
7 मिनट।
Still time. Come on. It's over, guys. It's over, guys.
The final blow of the night, as Northeast United conceded a late second goal, courtesy of
Number 7, Valianzola Changte.
But then, this was the keeper's mistake also. He could have stopped that. I think.
This is if we go out a bit now.
Yeah. Come on! Consolation goal. I'm still optimistic. We are going to score. Northeast is going to score 1 goal. I'm still optimistic.
Not even a draw.
What happened? भाई क्या disappointment था भाई ये.
Next time there will be less people.
Yeah.
Northeast United FC 0 and MC FC 2.
2 defending ISL champions.
Thank you all for being such a fantastic audience.
चलो at least we had fun. Siddhant, तेरा पहला football game. His first time at a football match. And
It was good. This FC
but
fought well.
they lost.
They lost.
So I couldn't get a chance to do this with the scarf. So I'm just gonna do it now. Now that was disappointing. This is not what we expected this game to be like. And sadly, Northeast United have lost their debut match in Shillong. 2-0.
And the next match is also dangerous.
This match is against Bengaluru. So if they keep playing like this, I don't think they're going to win.
It's gonna be
It's going to be way tougher than today's game.
worse than this.
Yes, it's way like Bengaluru are a much more difficult team than Mumbai City FC. So
But they were taking it easy.
I think Mumbai, Siddhant thinks Mumbai took it easy on Northeast. And personally, I think Northeast had better chances than Mumbai in the end throughout the entire match. But again, they couldn't take those chances. Right, so all these people are going home, probably disappointed. Not probably, likely disappointed. We are also going home disappointed as Northeast United has lost the game. And the next game is against Bengaluru here in Shillong. Next home game, of course. देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या होता है. Bengaluru is obviously a much more tough team than Mumbai City, in my opinion, especially this season. Bengaluru has been playing exceptionally well. And I don't really know what's going to happen, but disappointing outing here in Shillong itself. But nonetheless, had fun. The crowd was nice. The crowd was very good. And Siddhant, You had fun,
Yeah, I had fun.
but just that.
Much better if Northeast would have won.
Yeah,
But it's okay.
it's
Part of
okay.
the
It's
game.
a part of the game, man. It's part of the game.
Yeah.
Game's game. You know what I'm saying?
It's game.
So yeah, I think it's time to end this vlog, and let's hope that Northeast bounces back with a victory. Hopefully, the people of Shillong get to see a victory for Northeast in the next game. That's all I wish for. I'm not going to be here. Not probably. I will not be here in Shillong to watch that game. But yeah, hopefully the people of Shillong enjoy that game, and hopefully they turn up in numbers once again. Shouldn't be too disappointed with this result. But anyway, with that being said, see you guys in the next video. And yeah, signing off from Shillong. Northeast United versus Mumbai City FC match day vlog comes to an end. Goodbye guys. See you next time. Bye bye.